And in today's big story, a policeman left his rifle in someone's taxi after taking a bribe of 100 cedis. But this is a very dangerous situation. How can a policeman leave his rifle in someone's taxi? This policeman cannot spend the night at his side chick's house. Well, definitely he's going to leave his boxer shorts. So today we have him here exclusively to explain what actually happened for him to leave his rifle in someone's taxi. Hello, sir. We learned you left your rifle in someone's car after taking a bribe of 100 cedis. It is dangerous to do this thing in this country. What actually happened?
The thing is not bribery. The driver personally gave me the money. But the rifle, no, I took the driver be aware. The driver, because I took the rifle. I took the rifle, but I don't know. I took the rifle. Charlie.
We don't cry on TV. Viewers, it's very emotional, so I think we will be right back. We'll be right back.